Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I will show you how you can use Panoxyle's Acne Treatment Bar with 10% benzoyl peroxide. Now, it's recommended to use this product once daily, either in your morning or evening skincare routine, and if it's well tolerated, you can increase the frequency to twice daily. And keep in mind that benzoyl peroxide can bleach fabric, therefore it's best to use undyed microfiber washcloths and towels, or use fabrics you don't mind getting bleached. And before applying your benzoyl peroxide soap to your face, ensure your skin is clean from any dirt, excess oil, sweat, sunscreen or makeup, as this allows the benzoyl peroxide to effectively target your acne. And choose a cleanser that's suitable for your skin type and the substances you're trying to remove. For example, if your face has excess oil, dirt, sweat or light sunscreen or makeup, a regular water-based cleanser should be enough. However, for heavy makeup or sunscreen, use a cleansing oil or balm for effective and gentle removal. Because failing to do this might result in rubbing your skin too harshly, which can potentially irritate it over time. And for this demonstration, as I don't wear any sunscreen or makeup, I will just use my regular gel to foam cleanser, which is suitable for my skin type, to remove excess oil and sweat. So let's get started with the demonstration. Begin by wetting your face. Then take a small amount of your chosen cleanser, lather it between your hands, and gently massage it over your face and neck for 15 to 20 seconds. This helps break down the impurities on your skin. After that, rinse thoroughly with warm water. To help in removing the cleanser, you can use a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth. If you've used the washcloth, rinse your face several times again to ensure that all residue is removed. Now you can pat your skin dry with a towel or leave it wet. Personally, I prefer to pat my skin dry, as this method works the best for me. Next, take the Panoxyle's benzoyl peroxide bar soap and lather it between your hands. Apply the foam only to the affected areas. However, if your entire face is prone to acne, apply it everywhere except the eyelids and lips. Now leave it on for a couple of minutes. If you leave it on for much longer, it can potentially irritate the skin. Finally, you have the option to either use a clean, damp washcloth followed by a rinse with warm water to remove the soap, or you can simply rinse well with warm water alone, depending on your preference. Lastly, pat your skin dry, and voila, you're done. Now you can stop right here, or you can follow it up with a moisturizer or sunscreen during the daytime. For this, I have prepared a PowerPoint with example routines, which is available for you to download in the description box below. At the top of the PowerPoint, you can see if it's a morning or evening skincare routine. In the middle, the products, which are listed in the correct order of application, and underneath, you'll find my general guide on how I recommend using the products. So in the morning, you begin by cleansing your face to remove any impurities. Then use Panoxyle's benzoyl peroxide bar as demonstrated, and lastly, follow up with a moisturizer. Remember, if you will be outdoors for prolonged periods, use sunscreen even on cloudy days, as UV rays can penetrate clouds. For the evening, there are 3 possible scenarios. The first one is similar to the morning routine: cleanse your face and then use the moisturizer as the last step. However, if you have one stubborn sunscreen or makeup, I recommend using a cleansing balm as the first step to properly lift it off the skin. Rinse it off and then use Panoxyle's soap, and lastly, your moisturizer. The last scenario is for days when you're not using Panoxyle's benzoyl peroxide bar. Simply cleanse your face, follow with a moisturizer if needed, and use sunscreen during the daytime if you're outdoors. All these directions and the routines are in the PowerPoint, and again, you can download them in the description box down below. And that's it for today. I hope that you find it helpful, and happy skincaring!